15 quid, by the way. Hey vlog. My hair looks crazy. But I found some fish. This is my first time using the waterproof stuff. So, let's go. We met when doing snorkeling and we've decided to go and get an ice cream. We're gonna get, so the same one that I had yesterday, Carolina's gonna get that one and I'm gonna get an avocado one.
Yes, so, I want to go to try the mango ice cream.
I really sold it to her. It is so delicious, you're gonna like it. Taste test of the ice cream. I got avocado by the way. That is so yum. It's so delicious. Oh, there's so much fruit. Hi vlog! We're going out for dinner. Carolina recommended this Italian restaurant.
Yes.
What's it called?
It's really good. 4p.
4p. So I'll show you my pizza. This is so random. This is our view from the restaurant. We went to different ones, the pizza one was shut. Oh wait, no, sorry, it was full. Guys, look at the state of this pizza. This is bad. There's no mushrooms, but we live and we learn. This is motorbike for the day. And we're gonna go to the waterfall. Oh, a train!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is cray. We made it to the waterfall. It's the Bajo waterfall. We're just gonna get tickets. Look at this bright pink tree. This can't be real. Oh my gosh, I think it is. That's crazy. No way. How is that real? Is it?
This part.
That's the like twigs or the branches. We got pranked, guys. Look, this plastic. I can't believe that. We're so easily pleased. We're going kayaking, guys. There's a fly in my face. We're following these green arrows and look, like, I think we're just gonna have to go in. Okay, I'm letting Carolina test it out first. No, this is so fun. Oh my gosh. So many baby frogs. And look where we have to go. I can hear Nana's voice in my head saying, oh my god, be careful! Be careful, Ollie! And valid, Nana, because this is crazy! We gotta cross that! Okay. Woo. This is redonk. Look at that bridge to get across there. This is fucking ridiculous. What are we doing? This is ridiculous. Okay, let me try. Look at this bridge. That is not a bridge. What's the bridge?
Now it's my turn.
Yeah. We thought that we were at the end and we've been pranked. There's another 20 minutes, but that's okay. When in Vietnam, am I right? But this is crazy. We've been wading through water. We've been actually climbing up rocks. Like, I just wasn't mentally prepared, but maybe that's the best way to be, you know? So yeah, we're gonna keep trekking and eventually get to the big waterfall, and then we can swim. And we've got banh mi, like sandwiches in our bag. Oh, I can't wait to have a dip. Look at this. This is crazy. People must fall and not to be morbid, but let's do this. I think we're gonna jump, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, okay. Right, I just need to just do it. I'm just gonna show you the... Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay, now to swim back. Okay. So we went to the second lake and we thought let's just go straight to the third one. This is how you get there. Obviously it's just not real. Like what? But we're gonna go. Also an Australian guy said that people, you know that rock climbing bit we just did, that he was like, people were doing it in their thongs. And I was like, oh, you mean flip-flops? I thought he meant in thongs. But now technically I am doing that. But yeah, anyway. I know I'm like filming everything, but this cannot be real. Look, mate, what is that even doing? This is ridiculous. Oh my days, Mushin. Don't think, just do. Brother. It's wobbly. Also, just picture every time you get in the water, there's fish that bite you. So, this is just fabulous. Okay, we made it. I'm gonna go and swim. Guys, we did it. That was treacherous. We're now on a buggy. Oh my gosh. Also, I accidentally took the key for the hostel. It's not for the whole room, it's just for the box. But they keep texting me like, please come back. And I'm like, I'm trying. So we got to get back to the hostel ASAP. Oh my gosh, look at this snack that we've just got. Yum. Hey vlog. We're at the beach. I've got like an hour and a half till I need to go get my bus to Dalat. It's not an overnight bus, it's literally like a 3-hour bus. And then we're on to the next place, so we say bye to Nha Trang. It's been cute here, I like it. This sea looks a lot calmer, so we're gonna go for a swim. I'm late for the bus. Hope they let me on. Something's wrong with the bus. There's a mosquito. What's going on? Sometimes I think I'm dreaming and then I just realise I'm in Vietnam. Brother, I don't know if you can see the altitude we're climbing here. Okay, that's very dramatic. Look how cute this place is. This is the bathroom. It's got so many plants. And then my room's there. This is my bed. Hey vlog. So I didn't eat lunch. I just had a matcha and a brownie. So, well, we had a sandwich, but I didn't eat dinner. Oh my gosh. See how hungry I am? I can't even speak. And to be fair, that was actually some real exercise that we did earlier. So I need to get food, although it is late. It's nearly like 9 o'clock. I need food. Guys, I'm in this really cute little pizza place. Let me show you. That's really cool. Everyone's been so friendly. This is it. And I got a pineapple juice. Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry. I do not feel well. I'm hoping that I feel better after I eat. But yeah, I think I needed a long sleep tonight. Today was a lot, but I loved it. So I'm gonna eat and say goodnight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.